Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. Today I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem Fanatics gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Fanatics is a global digital sports platform that has offerings including licensed sports, merchandise, trading cards, and collectibles. In order to redeem Fanatics gift card online, you need to go visit their official website, open up a web browser of your choice in the web address bar, type in www.fanatics.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you log into your Fanatics.com account. Fanatics offers the world's largest collections of officially licensed sports merchandise. You can go ahead and purchase one of the items from the official web page and add it in your shopping bag. You can use your Fanatics gift card as a mode of payment. In order to do that, follow the steps. Go ahead and pick a product or two and choose the size. Add it in a shopping bag by clicking on Add to Cart. And once you add a product in your shopping bag, click on the shopping bag at the upper right-hand corner. Once everything's okay, click the Checkout button and your shipping address information. And right after you do that, you'll need to select your payment method. You can select any payment method of your choice. If you want to redeem your gift card with Fanatics purchase, then you can click on this Apply Gift Card Number link at the right-hand side of the screen. Give it a click and enter your gift card number into the text box. Once to do that, click the Apply button and you'll be able to purchase an item from Fanatics.com using a gift card. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Fanatics.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.